What's going on, guys? Motorola Moto Z3 Play, the new phone. There it is. The box, it's actually really nice looking. Let's go ahead and unbox it here quick. Let's go ahead and put the phone here on the side for a moment and see what else is included here. And this is the battery pack, I believe, or no, this is the battery pack right here. So it comes included with the purchase. It's actually pretty thin, so that's nice. We're gonna put this on the side here for now. These are the warranty and all that. I'm not gonna bother to open this right now. And we have right here USB cord, Type C. Also, the USB Type C to 3.5mm adapter, since the phone doesn't offer a audio jack. And then here the connector to charge the phone. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look now at the phone here. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic. And let's go ahead and turn it on. I kind of already set up the phone previous to doing this unboxing, but I still wanted to give you guys the video of getting everything out of the box and showing you what's included. So while the phone is turning on, I'm gonna recap some of the specs and we can take a look physically at how the phone looks like. The phone is extremely thin at just 6.8mm. 156 grams or 5.50 ounces. Super AMOLED technology. Beautiful colors, extremely vibrant. According Gorilla Glass 3, resolution of this screen is 1080 by 2160. Aspect ratio, it's 18:9. The phone comes with the Android 8.1. Processor of this phone is Qualcomm Snapdragon 636. The phone supports a microSD card up to 512 gigabytes, and it comes with internal memory of 32, 64, or 128 gig. As far as the RAM memory, it comes in either 4 gig of RAM or 6 gig of RAM. This is the 6 gig of RAM version. Now, as far as the cameras, we have a 12 megapixel dual rear camera with a f1.7 aperture, and the secondary camera, it's 5 megapixel to help you do the portrait mode. The front-facing camera, it's 8 megapixel with an f2.0 aperture. The rear camera can record video in 4K at 30 frames, 1080 at 30 frames, and 1080 at 60 frames. Unfortunately, the only resolution that supports stabilization, it's 1080 at 30 frames. The front camera can record video in 1080p. And last but not least, the battery, 3000 milliamp non-removable battery. The phone, the unlock version supports FM radio. This is the Amazon version. So I give you guys a quick tour here so you guys can see the phone opens everything really quick, extremely fluid. Here's the Google Fit, quick settings, access to the main settings of the phone. And here's a quick look at the camera interface. We have right here the portrait mode, and we also have the portrait mode for the front-facing camera. So there is the front-facing camera, there is a portrait, and you can actually adjust how blurred you want the background to look like. Here's the video mode. and as you can see, there is the symbol of stabilization only in the 1080p resolution, 30 frames per second, but you can go up to 4K, and you can do 1080 at 60 frames. All right, one more thing I wanted to show, it's the gesture navigation. We have this bar right here. Let me go ahead and open a few things so I can show you guys how the navigation works. But as you guys can see, it opens everything pretty quick. So let's go ahead and choose, for example, this article right here. So if I want to go back, I basically do this and it takes me back. If I want to go home, I click right there. If I want to see recent applications, I go like this, and it shows all the recent applications. So there you have it, guys, the quick unboxing here of the Motorola Moto Z3 Play. Really nice looking phone. I believe it price is $440, available on Amazon, and of course it's gonna be available, if it's not available already, on Motorola webpage. So I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.